Hello everybody and welcome back to another MonDrew video. Now recently we've been down to the Geneva Motor Show and we've seen all the new cars on the press day. So today we have the Hyundai i30N Performance Pack to show you. Now we'll go over the overview of the car, what the interior looks like, what the exterior looks like, and we'll also go over the optional extras you can get on the car. Now as you can see from the video now, the car actually comes with a pretty good standard mapping system and also a very good cockpit. You also get quite a bit standard really. You get heated seats for both sides, you get a 6-speed manual, and you can only get it in the manual, there's no DSG option or automatic option. So you get heated leather seats, both sides, you get automatic start-stop, park and assist, and some of the interior quality does lack in the center console, especially a lot of it feels pretty naff really, but for the money, it's actually a really good package. So this is the M Performance Pack, so you get the suede and leather seats, as you can see from the camera. You also get a nice package on the side, on the door sills, where you can see a nice silver plaque. From the outside, the colour actually looks really nice, so this is the optional extra that you can only get on the M Performance Pack. It looks really nice. I personally go for this colour. You can obviously get the other colours, but I personally think it's the best one for you. You also get a nice red strip along the bottom of the car. Looks really mean, looks really aggressive, and I personally like it. It's adding like a sporty character to the car. From the back, you've got twin tailpipes, which I personally think look great. Sometimes quad exhausts don't look too good and they look a bit boy racy. With the M Performance Pack, you can get an optional extra 5 custom modes, which you can go into. As you can see from the screen, with the M Performance Pack, you can get 5 choices of your driving modes. So obviously different things tighten up, so you get throttle response going, rev matching, electronic limited slip differential, which you get as standard on the Performance Pack. You also get an active exhaust sound, which you can open the valves on with the Performance Pack. So the car that we reviewed in the day at Geneva came to £28,580, which for a hot hatchback is quite a bit, but remember that the GTI costs £30,000 as standard and the Golf R costs 32 grand as standard. So really you're saving 2 grand, and the i30N has actually been voted What Car of the Year 2018 already for hot hatches between 20 and 30 grand. So at the end of the day, this is a top car, and I think over time it's going to become more and more popular. So now to top the video off, I'm going to show you a quick video of the car actually revving. I personally think that the active exhaust sounds amazing compared to a lot of the cars in the same price category. Not sure what you all think. Let me know in the comments what you think. How long do you have to go until 10 minutes? I'll do it. Yeah. Subscribe to MonDrew. See you all next time. Cheers, bye.
That rib's good.
It's so great for my city. I'm the realest one that's repping. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God.